Hi students, today we can do exercise 3.4 remaining questions. Our question is using elementary transformation find inverse. Question number 10. On matrix given in here we have to find out inverse of this matrix. First we can give one name, let A equal to matrix 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. Then first step is this matrix A we can write A equal to identity matrix into A, I into A. Then A already given, we can write that 3 minus 1 minus 4 2 equal to I means 1 0 0 1, that is identity matrix. I means identity matrix. Then A we can write same, no need to write in this place matrix because we are not going to change this A. First step, what is our question means we have to make in here I. In this place we have to make identity matrix, that time automatically this part will be inverse of A. Then identity matrix means like 1 0 0 1. In here we have to make 1 0 0 1. Then check it first. In here 3. What we need? We need 1. In identity matrix, first element is 1, isn't it? In this place we need 1. For that, the first row applying R1 we are going to change R1 divided by, in here we need 3 means divide by 3. Divide by 3. 3 cancel, you will get 1. That is first step. You can write 3 by 3. That is R1 by 3. Then minus 1 by 3. Second row no need to change. Minus 4 2 equal to right side. In here also 1 by 3. 0 by 3. 0 1 into A. This all the first row divided by 3. Second row no need to do anything, right, as it is. Then 3 by 3 you will get 1 matrix 1 minus 1 by 3, we cannot simplify, minus 1 by 3, then minus 4 2 minus 4 2, 1 by 3, 0 by 3 is 0, then 0 1 into A. Now we got in here 1, isn't it? The next step, in this place we have to make 0. That is second row. We can write applying R2. R2 we are going to change. That is R2 minus into minus 4. Minus 4 into R1. Check it. R2 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus, again minus 4 into R1. R1 is 1. Here minus minus plus. Minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. That will be 0. Then, here 2 minus is there. Directly we can write that plus. Plus 4. R2 plus 4 R1. R1 we can write as it is R1. Then R2 is minus 4 plus 4 into R1 is 1. Then in here also R2 is 2 plus 4 into R1. R1 is minus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 0. Then R2 is 0 plus 4 R1. 4 into R1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then R2 is 1 minus 1 plus 4 into R1. 4 into R1 is 0. into A. Same A. Life matrix 1 minus 1 by 3. Then minus 4 plus 4. 4 into 1, 4, isn't it? Minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. In here, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Then cross multiple. 2 into 3. Take LCM. 2 into 3, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 6 minus 4 is 2. Equal to 1 by 3, 0. 1 by 3, 0. Then 0 no need to write. 4 into 1, 4 by 3. You will get 4 by 3. And then in here 1 into A. And then next in here we need which number? 1, isn't it? That's why applying R2 we can multiply by 3 by 2 into R1. Check it. If you are multiplying here 3 by 2, 3 cancel, 2 cancel, you will get 1, isn't it? That's why multiply by 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 3, 3 by 2 into 0, 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 equal to, first row no need to change, 1 by 3, 0. Then second row 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3, again 3 by 2 into 1. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 0. 2 cancel, 3 cancel, you will get 1 equal to 1 by 3 0, 1 by 3 0, 3 and 3 cancel, 2 and 4 cancel, 2 times 2. Then 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into A. Now, we have to make in the place of minus 1 by 3, 0. For that, applying R1. R1 we are going to change. It is R1 minus 1 by 3 R2. In here, minus into minus we can write commonly plus. Plus. That is next step. Implies matrix. This R1 means in here 1 plus 1 by 3 into R2. R2 is 0. Then next step is R1 is minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into R2. R2 is 1. Then second row no need to change. We can write same 0 and 1 equal to matrix. Right side also you have to change this. In right side R1 is 1 by 3 plus the same 1 by 3 into R2. What is R2? R2 is 2. R2 is 2. Then second, what is R1? R1 is 0 plus 1 by 3 R2. What is R2? R2 is here 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Then second row we can write 2, 3 by 2 into an element is there, that is A. Implies. Then 1 by 3 into 0, 0 will get, then remaining only 1. 1 in here, 1 by 3 into 1, 1 by 3 only, then minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that will be 0, then 0 and 1, 0, 1. Equal to matrix. Take LCM. LCM is 3. Then 1 into 2, 2. Then 1 plus 2, you will get here also 3. Then 1 into 3, we can cut it 3 and 3. Then remaining only, directly we can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then 2, 3 by 2 into A. Matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 3, 3 cancel, only one time. 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2 into A. Then in left side, what is this? This is I, isn't it? Identity matrix. We can write I equal to, this is one matrix. We don't know which matrix. That's why just give B. B into A. Same A. Therefore, B into A, we got identity matrix, isn't it? That means B is inverse of A. We can write B equal to A inverse. Less. That is B. We already know this matrix, isn't it? That is matrix 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2 equal to A inverse. This is our answer. This is question number 11. First step, give one name. We can write let A equal to matrix 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2. Now, this A we can write A equal to identity matrix into A. I into A. Then A matrix already given. That is matrix 2 minus 6, 1 minus 2 equal to I means 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. First step is, in the place of 2, we have to make 1, isn't it? That's why this 2 just divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 will get 1. That means first row R1 divided by 2. Applying R1, we are going to change R1 divided by 2. That time we can write 2 divided by 2. All the R1 element we have to divide by 2. 2 by 2. Then minus 6 by 2. Second row no need to change. 1 minus 2 equal to right side 1 by 2, 0 by 2. Then second row no need to change. That is 0 and 1 into A. Implies 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. Minus 6 by 2, 6 and 2 cancel, you will get minus 3. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 equal to 1 by 2 matrix 1 by 2. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Then 0 and 1. 0, 1 into A. Next, then after, in second row first element, here 1, isn't it? In that place we have to make 0. For that, applying R2, that is R2 minus R1. Check it. 1 minus R2 is what? 1 minus R1 also 1. 1 minus 1, what you will get? That will be 0, isn't it? And this 1 minus 3. R1 no need to change. R2 only we are going to change. That means R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1. And here R2 is minus 2 minus R1 is minus 3. Equal to 1 by 2, 0. Then R2 minus R1, that is 0 minus 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 0 into A. That is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then minus 2 minus minus plus. Minus 2 plus 3. How much? Minus 2 plus 3. That will be 1. 1 equal to 1 by 2, 0. 0 minus 1 by 2 is, you will get minus 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 0 is 1 into A. Now check it. 1 got it, 0 got it. In here automatically came 1, isn't it? No need to change. Then remaining in the place of minus 3, which number we need? We need 0, isn't it? Then only identity matrix you will get 1, 0, 0, 1, like that, isn't it? Then in the place of minus 3, we need 0. For that, applying R1. This is R1. R1 we can change. R1 minus that same number, minus 3 into R2. This step. R1 minus, write same number, that is minus 3. Then R2. Then minus minus we can write plus. Directly we can write plus. R1 plus 3 R2. That is our step. Matrix R1 plus 3 R2. R1 in here 1 plus 3 R2. R2 is, what is R2? R2 is 0. There. Again, R1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 into R2. R2 is 1. Second row no need to change. 0 and 1. Equal to matrix R1 is 1 by 2 plus 3 R2. 3 into R2 is minus 1 by 2. Then R1 is 0 plus 3 into R2 is 1. 3 into 1. Then second row no need to change. Minus 1 by 2. Then 1 into A. 3 into 0, 0. Then remaining only 1. 1. Then 3 into 1, 3. Minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Then second row we can write as it is. 0 and 1 equal to. Then what you will get in here? 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Take LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 2. Then 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is, this is not plus. Plus and minus we can write minus. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And then 3 we can write minus 1 by 2, 1. One, 0, 0, 1 equal to 2 and 2 cancel, you will get 1. Minus 1 you will get. Then 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 into A. Then left side we got one matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. What is that? That is identity matrix. We can write I equal to B into A. Therefore, B means A inverse. A into A inverse only we will get I. Then B matrix dash B matrix we can write in here, that is minus 1, 3, minus 1 by 2, 1. That is B matrix. equal to A. This is A inverse. This is our answer. You can see question number 12. We have also one matrix given. We have to find out inverse of that matrix. Is given name, let A equal to matrix 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Then first step is A equal to I into A. Implies A we can write already given 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 equal to I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. In the place of 6 we have to make 1. In left side first we have to make identity matrix. For that in here in the place of 6 first we need 1. For that applying R1 first row we are going to change R1 we can write R1 divided by 6. That means first row we are divide by 6 all the elements. 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Then second row no need to change minus 2 1 equal to 1 by 6 0 by 6 0 1. Second row we need to change. Then 6 divided by 6 what you will get? You will get 1 1. Then minus 3 by 6 cut it 1 in here 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 equal to 1 by 6. Then 0 by 6 is 0 0 1 0 1 into A. Then next step in here we need which number we need? We need 0 isn't it? For that applying R2 second row we can write R2 minus same number is minus 2 into R1. Then minus minus we can write plus R2 plus 2 R1. That is next step. First one I need to change 1 minus 1 by 2. For second row R2 is minus 2 plus 2 into R1 is 1. Then here also R2 is 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 6 0. R2 is 0 in here 0 plus 2 into R1 is 1 by 6. Then 1 plus 2 R1 2 into 0 into A same A 1 minus 1 by 2 in here 2 into 1 2. Then 2 minus 2 you will get 0. 2 and 2 cancel. Then plus 1 minus 1 that will be 0. Right side 1 by 6 0 plus 2 cancel you will get 3 1 by 3 2 into 0 0 then remaining only 1. Now we need in here 1. Actually we got it 0 isn't it? In second row both numbers are 0. That means we cannot make in this place 1. If you multiply by 1 you will get 0 isn't it? If you divide by 1 also you will get 0 isn't it? That means in here we cannot make 1. That is impossible thing isn't it? That means for this matrix given matrix have no inverse. Can that? Inverse does not inverse. What is the reason? Since in second row, all elements are 0. All elements are 0. If you got all elements in one row 0 means we cannot find out. That's why inverse does not exist. This is our answer. Then question number 13, 14, I think you can do.